All right. So continuing on the shop configuration. So this is what we'll be showing on the front end. What we do is we add a banner the same way that we add a banner on Facebook. And this would be your primary color, which would be your buttons, like this one as it's blue. So you will have red buttons on your side and a red top. And then after that, we're going to go and add a new item. Now we have the main part and we have a sales part. So the sales part will go to it right now. So we say Unyala so season 5 and 5 and 5. And then at this moment we only have a novel and a disc format. So I'll be adding novels at the moment because that's the pictures I could actually come up with. So you can add your images, we have a size, an option, and different option prices for those options. But since it's a book, we will not be adding the sizes and options right now. Then you can click your save button, and then upon clicking save, you will be presented with a screen where you'll be able to see all your products. So now if you enter in and let's say you made a mistake, you can just simply click view and update whatever you want. You can also delete a picture, which a confirmation will be done for you, and then that picture will be deleted. You can also add one or many pictures into the fray. For example, like this one. So now you have multiple pictures for the same item. Then you click save, and then it comes back into the main display. So now I'll be showing you our sales portion. So we have a sales and we also have a sale order, which will be displaying you all the orders in the system. You can also search based on the guest or the user that you want to search for. And then you can also create codes on the system and view the codes that you have. So currently we have no codes, so the system will also display that. And then you can also create a new code, which will take you back to our action of creating a code. So now let's create a sale. Now you can add multiple books for sale. You can sell them all. And then for whatever customer, you can create a new customer and that you want to sell to. So it may be a walk-in customer or someone you already have on the system. So let's say gmail.com 074 so 064, then you can add your customer. All right, upon adding your customer, they will be visible over here, and then you just select their name, and then you save the order. Upon saving the order, you'll be redirected to the sales orders page, and the sales orders page will have a summary of what you are about to sell to the customer. So if they make a payment of, let's say, 500 and they are willing to give you 100 rand, we mark that as a partial payment on the system, so you know that this person has not paid the full price. Then furthermore, you can either email the person the invoice, which will be marked by the system that the invoice has been set successfully, or you can print it out and send them via WhatsApp. So over here we don't have that much meat at the moment, but as you can see, you'll be able to record the customer's name and the dates and the invoice number and who is billed by. Cool. So now going to the shopping aspect of it. So this is the main attraction point of everything. So over here, you will be able to see your customers, sale orders that you have done on the system, and items that you have for sale, and also the system users. You can have multiple system users at the moment. So we've already covered the selling, adding of products, and listing of products. Now you have your online shop set up. Now in your online shop, as you can see, everything is just put into your company CI. In this way, we enable you to have a feeling of having your own system on our platform. Cool. So now, as a user, I can come through and see everything that you are selling and add it to the cart. I can select 3 or more, and then we say add to cart. Then we can go back to shopping. Then upon going back to shopping, you can add this system. You can add the products over here as well, or minimize, or you can remove it completely. But now I want to proceed with my checkout. Then upon proceeding, I give you the names. Let's say, let me say I am Freedom Magwala. Then I say so now the customer, your customer, can then proceed. So it's either they want to EFT or make a cash payment. Then upon EFT, if you have put in your banking details, they will appear here. However, they can agree to say, I will pay upon delivery. We give them that option as well. And then they placed an order, and then it's successfully placed. And then it's either they can go back to shopping, or they can just print out their own version of the invoice, which is the same one that you would have printed on the shop when you are doing a sale for yourself. So and then once they go back, we bring them back to your home page, and they can shop away again. Thank you very much.